cannot escape. They are so desperate to get away, terrified that they can suffer broken bones and excessive bleeding. They often try and chew their own limbs off to escape. They often have cubs that they have ended up having to abandon because they are caught in these death traps. When the trapper returns within however many days afterwards, the coyotes are beaten violently to death for shooting them directly to the fur. Tell me now if that sounds like a good way to make a post. Tell me now if you think that this is acceptable. That in 2021, live animals are considered things or objects, and we can just trap and beat to death because of a pointless, disgusting decoration on a bland, boring post. Shame on Canada Goose and shame on anybody who funds this barbaric practice.